is heard across the field of birch and bone, the thunder of a single word. A king is trapped and left alone. The night sleep high in L-shaped flight over the ramparts, through the fray, twisting through the velvet night to snatch the breath of life away. For in this box of light and dark, where every soul is carved in wood, a single spark, a mental arc, distills the bad from all the good. The bishops haunt the long frontier, slicing the board on lines of glass, whispering threats that none can hear, until the moment shadows pass. But see the queen, a storm of grace, the deadliest hand upon the board. She claims the heart of every space, a silken sheath for a heavy sword. It is the dance of mind on mind, a symphony of calculated risk, where all the chaos left behind is frozen on a polished disc. Then there are the pawns, the soul of steel, who march with slow and steady breath to break the turning of the wheel and trade their lives for sudden death.